Hi everyone, welcome back to Dash of Delight. I'm Soumya. Today's recipe is straight from the heart of Punjab, which is none other than delicious and spicy Missi Roti. For those who are unaware, this is a chickpea flour flatbread flavored with a blend of spices and enjoyed with some curd, yogurt, or raita. So let's start off. For Missi Roti, take 1 cup of chickpea flour or besan. To this add half cup whole wheat flour. So their ratio is 1:2. Now add half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon red chili powder. You can always adjust chili as per you. Then add some garam masala powder, some carom seeds. Now comes salt. Now add 1 tablespoon of chopped onion. Then add some cumin powder, coriander powder. Then 1 tablespoon of melted ghee. You can also add butter or oil. Now in the last comes some chopped coriander leaves. Now with the help of a spoon, mix all these dry ingredients together. Now, with the help of your hands, rub everything so that all the ingredients, especially ghee, is nicely incorporated into the flour. Now gradually start adding water as we need to make nice and soft dough out of it. Make sure your dough should not be very hard. So keep kneading for at least 4 to 5 minutes, and when it comes together, add a bit of oil, then smoothen it a bit and then let it rest for around 5 minutes. Now after 5 minutes, start making small balls out of it. Make equal portions. So I'll make and show you once. It should be of the size of golf ball. See, like this. So here I've made all the balls. Now take one ball, dust it in some whole wheat flour, and with the help of rolling board and pen, start rolling it into a nice round shape. Make sure you do not roll it very thin as Missi rotis are a bit thicker than the normal rotis. If required or if in case the roti sticks to the board, you can always dust it with some more flour. So this is done now. Now take half cup finely chopped onions. To this add some coriander leaves, red chili powder, cumin powder and a pinch of salt. Mix all the ingredients. We are going to top our Missi rotis with this mixture. So guys, if you want, you can also keep all these toppings separately, but by mixing it this way, it becomes way more easier. Now take a spoonful of mixture and keep it on the roti. Then spread it evenly on it, like this. Spread it on all the sides. Now drizzle a bit of flour on top. Then gently roll it out once. This way, the mixture will be slightly pressed inside the roti. Now preheat a griddle or a tawa and place it gently on it. Then let it cook for 3-4 minutes on a medium flame and then flip it over like this. There we go. Now press it very gently and cook it this side also. Then within another 3-4 minutes, you will see that it is cooked nicely from both the sides like this. So similarly, I've made all of them. So here comes our yummy and delicious chickpea flatbread or Missi Roti. So guys, in order to break the monotony of your normal whole wheat roti, this is a must try recipe. Apply some butter all over it and enjoy. So try it out at your homes. Also hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel for sure guys. I'll be back very soon. Till then you guys take care of yourselves. Bye bye.